The most common type of damage that we see on motorcycle luggage is from silencer burns. Here are a few simple tips that can help you prevent this from happening. Tip 1 is to make sure you're using the right type of bag. This might sound obvious, but it's quite easy to get wrong too. For example, the rectangular lay saddlebags are a great fit on motorcycles with a straight exhaust. If you tried hard, you might get away with mounting them on some motorcycles with upswept exhaust. But this is also asking for trouble. Instead, using the Condor saddlebags that are better shaped to match upswept exhausts will make it easier to carry things more safely. Similarly with tailbags, if your bike has a very high exhaust, a tailbag with a flat bottom is a far better choice. Part 2 of the puzzle is to ensure that your luggage is mounted correctly. In this specific context, it's really important to check that your luggage is mounted with sufficient clearance from the silencer. It's not about just 1 mm gap or making sure your bag is not touching the pipes. What you're ideally going for is at least 3 inches gap from the end can to the bottom of your bags. As we all know, end cans can run really hot and there needs to be enough space for airflow so that the heat can be kept away from the bags. This is even more important when your bike is parked after a long ride. If you have not left enough space for air to flow through and dissipate the heat, your bags will bear the entire wrath of it. Using a good end can heat shield helps significantly and is a must-have if your luggage sits close to the end can. Exhaust damage aside, burn damage can also happen from abrasion against the tires. This is largely only relevant to saddlebags since they can tilt inward if mounted without support. If you're using saddlebags like the Leh, Condor or Condor 2-Up, make sure you have a good saddle stay or saddlebag rack that supports and holds the bags away from the wheels. To quickly recap, make sure you're using the right type of luggage for your bike. Ensure at least 3 inches of clearance between the exhaust and the bottom of your luggage. Use an end can heat shield for better heat protection. And if you're using saddlebags, make sure to use a good saddle stay or racks that hold the bags safely away from the wheels. If you know someone that has burned their motorcycle luggage before, please share this video with them. We hope that content like this will help more riders be safer and enjoy their motorcycle travel experiences. Thanks for watching.